Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have two more items from the Chanel limited edition Codes Couleur collection to unbox for you. I know I already unboxed one piece, which was a nail file, in my previous video, and then the collection sold out so fast. However, they did do a restock online, so I was able to score two more pieces from this collection. If you have watched my previous video, you know that I was really after a brush set in lilac color as well as a mirror potentially in a lilac. However, I do have a black mirror, so I wasn't really sure if I needed that. So lilac color, which was called Immortelle, was my absolute favorite color from this collection, and I did end up scoring one item in that color, which I will show you guys. So without further ado, let's unbox and see what I got. And this item came in the same exact packaging as the previous time. I got another one of these blank cards. I got a couple samples again. I think I got the same ones as last time. Pretty sure. And this is it. I got another nail file, and this time around it was in the color that I actually wanted, Immortelle. So let's open it up. There you go. And I did test out the nail file that I got in the color Ovni, so if you are interested in that, I will link the video somewhere above so you can check that out. It looks exactly the same with the CC logo printed on top of the glass. And this is the back of it. Here's for the size reference. Yeah, so this is what this color looks like. I love it. It's truly one of my favorite colors, and that's why I was hunting for this color for so long. And I'm glad they did do a restock and I was able to score this nail file. And here, just to show you the Ovni color in comparison. They look so cute together, don't you guys think? So now I have two nail files. I might keep them both or give the other one as a gift, not sure yet. I might just keep both, honestly. I do truly love both of these colors. So now let's move on to the next unboxing, and that's the item that I'm really excited about. Let me put that aside. Alright, so this item did come in a box. Let's open up the box. And here's my blank card. I love this packaging so much. I like the seal that Chanel has, and I just think it's so special. Don't want to mess it up. I got two more samples. This time I got the eye serum from the Sublimage range and the same cream Camellia Rouge that I really like. And here it is. Guys, I did get a set of brushes in the leather case. It says Chanel limited edition collection of 3 essential brushes, and the color is Rouge Noir. So this is not the color that I would typically choose. I did have a Rouge Noir nail polish at one point, so I am familiar with this color and I do like it as a nail polish. However, it's not like my favorite color for other things other than nails, so I really wasn't expecting to get this. However, when they did do a restock, none of my favorite colors were available, or at least I didn't catch it at the right time. So the 3 colors that were available was that really dark navy, this one that's kind of a dark red, and also a bright red. And the bright red was the one that I added to my cart. However, it sold out before I was able to check out, and this was my second attempt to adding this item to my cart, and it let me check out. I was thinking maybe I should have gotten the navy one. I feel like navy is my least favorite color. Well, actually, like brown, dark brown, I want to say, is my least favorite color generally, but in this particular range, in this collection, the dark navy was my least favorite because the contrast between the black letters of Chanel logo and the color itself, you couldn't really see that well. So maybe if the coloring was in white on the navy, it would look much better. I wasn't crazy about the navy. I have no regrets about not getting that one. I still would really love to have it in that lilac color, Immortelle. Not sure at this point if this is possible. I'm not sure if they're gonna do another restock, and you have to be really, really quick to get one of those more desirable colors. So I think for now, I'm just happy with this, and I'm just content, I guess. Well, let's open it up and see what it looks like. I hope there's no quality issues or anything like that. I hope it looks good and I don't have to worry about it. Ta-da! It's coming out of its box. There you go. And looking at it now, it is really dark. It is true to color compared to the nail polish that I had. It's almost like this dark brownish red. And I know that this is hilarious because I did say that dark brown is my least favorite color. Well, it is what it is. It kind of looks like there's a tiny faint like scratch right here. I don't know if the camera will show it. I can definitely see it in person. It is very faint and light, so I'm not worried about that as far as the quality goes. A part of me wonders if this was a return and that's how they were able to do a restock of these items. What if they were the items that were purchased initially in the first release and then returned for some reason? I do see the creasing right here on this part of the leather where the case is opened, so I'm trying to really look it over closely and see if I see anything else. Okay, so I do see a popped stitch here on the very bottom. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. It's super tiny. There you go, I'm pointing at it. Yeah, just a small pop stitch on the bottom. So here's what the bottom looks like. Here's the body of the case. Here's the logo on top. I see something glittery on the side here. I'm not sure if you can see it or not. It's like this very small area that looks like there's like some powder or glitter, which makes me believe that this was indeed a return. And possibly because, you know, that pop stitch, they returned it. Honestly, like this crease makes me really suspicious as well. I don't know. So the zipper looks good. Let's see if it works. Wow, the zipper is pretty smooth, shockingly. Oh, guys, look at this. The brushes, oh, these sleeves were not like put all the way on these brushes. I'm not sure if just me pulling it out too fast that made them remain inside the case or not. Wow, that was not what I was expecting to see. I expected to see the brushes completely covered by this protective sleeve like that, kind of like this. However, it seems like they were in there like that, and that's why when I opened it I saw this immediately and I pulled them out, and these remained in the case. Well, it looks pretty clean. Both of these brushes look really clean. I don't think they were used. However, they might have been returned. Not the best feeling in the world when you unbox something. You expect it to be, you know, brand new and untouched condition. This is a retractable dual-ended eyeshadow brush. So goes in and out, looks clean. And this one is more like a flat brush. Again, retractable. Yeah, it's interesting. So let's see. Inside, if you can see, it says body 100% cow leather, lining 100% recycled PET. It says not to be sold separately, made in China. Okay, I don't know, was this worth $160? I'm not sure. I really don't love this crease up here. I understand that this is what happens when you open and close it. This part, like the top, you see the stitching here, but I assume that the stitching is just the edges that are stitched under, because this part looks glued on. I can definitely see glue residue right here on the inside. So yeah, this top piece is just glued on top, and the same goes for the bottom. So yeah, let's look at the brushes again. I don't know if I showed you guys in detail. This one says blush brush number 110. And this one says fluid powder foundation number 101. Okay, so there's my second unboxing from the Color Codes collection. I am not gonna lie, I'm a little bit underwhelmed, especially with the brush set. I do like my nail files. Yeah, the brush set, I think maybe if I did score it in the color that I love, which is Immortelle, the lilac one, I would have probably loved it much, much more. But because this is not my favorite color, and also the whole popped stitch situation and the brushes kind of look like they've been touched before, makes me kind of want to return it potentially. I'm not quite sure, so I do need you guys' advice. Please let me know, what would you do in this situation? Would you keep it just because it's a limited edition item and the chances of getting it again are very, very slim, and these go for quite a premium on pre-loved market at the moment because the collection is still kind of hot. It's been pretty hyped up. I've seen them go for as high as like $300 to, you know, even more than that for really popular colors. So guys, let me know, should I keep it or should I return it? What would you do? Would you keep it? Would you return it? I really, really want to know. So if you watched up until this point, you are amazing. I love you for this. You are a true gem. I don't know if you can tell by my voice, I guess. I hope I'm not sounding too upset. This is not what I expected from this unboxing. This is not how I expected it to go, but I'm hoping that my other unboxings will go better than this. I will see you guys in my next videos. Guys, if you haven't yet, please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys. Bye bye.